How to use Interlink Wallet. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set up and use Interlink Wallet. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Here you want to search for Interlink Network app. Once you have found it, tap on the install option and install this, then tap on open. Once you have opened the app, you will first have to create or log into your Interlink ID. You may need to complete a human verification step for identity verification. Once that is done, you want to head over to the wallet section inside the app. Now create a new wallet. Once you do that, you will have to link or connect a crypto wallet so you can manage tokens outside the app. Now use the wallet to store, send, or receive supported assets. Interlink Wallet supports multiple blockchains such as Ethereum, BNB chain, all in one interface. Through the built-in mini app browser inside Interlink Wallet, explore decentralized app, games, DeFi services, marketplace, and other Web3 services. For securing the wallet, make sure you safely store any recovery phrase, backup credentials, and follow the verification steps required by Interlink to maintain your verified identity. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.